Hi guys, welcome to a new video about MBBS in Russia. So today we are going to explore the top 5 universities in Russia that offer MBBS degree. These universities follow all the NMC guidelines which states the whole MBBS degree should be 54 months. The medium of teaching should be in English and it should be registered in WDOMS. Do you know that Russian universities offer medical courses at a very affordable cost? I would like to also mention a very important point that degrees from these universities are globally recognized. At the same time, they offer numerous opportunities to students to start and build their medical career. Now let's discuss about the top 5 MBBS universities in Russia. So the first one that we begin with is Orenburg State Medical University. I would like everyone to listen to me very carefully. I'll be telling some important highlights about the university. This university was established in 1944. It's one of the best university when it comes to selection from MBBS students in Russia. The university is also listed in WDOMS, which is one of the very important parameter for a student or a parent while deciding where to send their children for study abroad, that too MBBS in Russia. I would like to also mention that it is located in Orenburg city, which is a very peaceful and a good to explore city for students who are going for MBBS in Russia. The university is also certified by ECFMG, which is one of the major concerns of lot of students and lot of parents while deciding which university to go for their MBBS. I would also highlight that the medium of teaching for this university is completely in English, so you do not have to worry whether I will be able to understand the content or not. Now what else we have for the students? Let me create some more excitement and provide you some more detailed information about the university. The course duration of this whole degree will be 6 years. The university offers 8,000 plus beds for their patients. It also has a simulation center. Now what is a simulation center, you would be thinking? It is a center wherein students can regularly go and visit their theoretical knowledge into a practical advancement. This is going to help students to have an insight and in-depth knowledge about each and every topic in a theoretical manner. The university has also offered students with FMGE training. Now what is FMGE? It's a foreign medical graduate examination. The coaching for FMGE would also be provided to all the students, which is very important if a student comes back to India and wants to practice and get a license as a doctor. So this is also being provided in Orenburg State Medical University. Perm State Medical University was established in 1916. This is the university which is registered in WDOMS. This is the only university in Russia which provides education through robotics, which is one of the very high-end technical way of teaching students. The university is also certified by ECFMG. And you know what? The university provides a way of education to students which is very exciting through robotics. The preferred language that you would be learning throughout 5.8 years would be in English. Also, at the same time, you will also be provided with FMGE training, which is a final examination that the students would be giving to get the license of doctor for India. Now let's move to the third university, which is Mary State University. The university focuses more on practical exposure that is being provided to all the students who are studying in this particular university. Mary University is located in an area which has a mild climate. It is also considered as a classical university in Russia. Let me bring to your notice, this university was established in 1972. It's also registered in WDOMS, which again, I would like to reiterate that is a concern of students and most of the parents. The medium of teaching in this university will be English. The degree is certified by ECFMG. It is a globally recognized degree. The duration of the degree will be complete 6 years. Now in the list comes the fourth university, which is Tver State Medical University. This university is known for its comprehensive and extensive teaching methodologies. This university is located in Tver, which has a cold climate. The university was established in 1936. It is also registered in WDOMS. The medium of teaching for this university entirely for 6 years will be completely in English. The degree is globally recognized. At the same time, this is also the university which offers FMGE training to all the students. Here comes the last university, but yes, not the least. Pskov State University is what we will be discussing at the end of this specific video. This university is known for its international partnerships, at the same time giving a global representation to the students when it comes to healthcare segment. The university was established in 2010. Also, I would like to mention this university is also registered in WDOMS, which is again the concern of students and parents. At the same time, the medium of teaching for complete 6 years will be English. The university is certified by ECFMG. Also, the university will be providing FMGE training to all the students so that it's easier for them to have a license when it comes to practicing doctorship in India. So let me recall what we discussed in this video. We discussed about the top 5 universities in Russia which are providing a MBBS degree. At the same time, we discussed the highlights about these universities when it comes to number of Indian students, whatever facilities these universities are providing to the Indian students, and are these universities providing FMGE training to the students. As this video was all about Orenburg State Medical University, wherein we have provided you the in-depth knowledge. For the rest 4 universities, stay tuned, we will come up shortly.